is coming down. It is so windy that the rain is actually starting to get to me in here. Horrible morning. Okay, so I was riding across the bridge leaving Charleston, and I ran into a real awesome dude named Kershaw, and he invited me to his place and told me to try some paddle boarding. Ferry until I turn northeast, which is the opposite direction of where the water's going, and we hit wind and not gonna make it. So now I'm just taking my time, taking it easy. But the sun finally came out, and damn, these are some really good views here. Pitch black right now. Just got to the island. Gonna see if I can find a spot to camp. Although it's gonna be really hard to see anything, but I don't know. Here we go. Wish me luck. go. 1.5 miles. No shoulder, no stopping. All go. Alright, here we go. Dude, my legs are filled with lactic. Quarter mile, half mile. Wait, where did I see quarter? Shit. Oh hell. Thanks so much. That guy was kind enough to follow me with his flashers on the entire way. That's a pretty terrifying stretch, but it's definitely doable if you can make your visibility really good, which I lost my reflective vest, so I was kind of screwed without it. Well, that's just perfect. It's now raining. If that's not an awesome way to start the night, if I stop, I'll freeze, so I'm just gonna pedal until I get home. Here we go. Yeah, this wouldn't be horrible if I didn't have like the worst setup for this. Road tires with 80 pounds of gear. Not ideal. Day 5 of the rain. This trail has been a slog for the past 8 miles, and we still got 8 more left. I thought this crap was over.